Okay, hey there. Today I'm gonna make vegan veggie burritos, and this is like a 10-minute lunch, and it's super healthy, all vegan, and you feel like you're eating at a restaurant. This is like we got inspired to make this after eating veggie burritos on the ski mountain, and I came home and decided to recreate kind of a lighter version of that. Okay, so for ingredients, we've got these frozen veggie burgers with black beans in them. We get them from Trader Joe's and they're amazing. Then we've got olives, red pepper, tomato. Make sure to get the burrito size tortillas. Okay, the first thing is to just quickly make a little salsa. Cut half a tomato and dice it into two separate piles. Take out a roasted red pepper. We get the kind in the jars. Dice those into two piles, and then 6 Kalamata olives, 3 per pile, diced, and you've got 2 little bowls of salsa. You can do more, but just be careful with the size of your burrito so that you don't overstuff them. And then chop a bunch of lettuce. Okay, so we just microwave these frozen veggie burgers. Um, they're super fast and surprisingly delicious. So 1 minute on the first side, and then after that, just flip them over and do 45 seconds on the other side. Um, we wrap them in paper towels so that they kind of soak up any excess oil in there. Again, you don't have to do that, but we like to try to keep it lean. Okay, then go ahead and heat the tortillas. You can do this any way you like. Just be careful not to go too crispy or they'll be hard to roll. And then you just stuff the tortilla. So we put a veggie burger in there cut in half. One of the jars of salsa goes on top, and then a big handful of that lettuce. We use a organic power green mix of spinach and kale. Um, and then just a little bit of dressing poured on that. Not much. You don't even have to do that. It's just to make sure it isn't too dry. We use a vegan dressing that we make. It's got a tahini base and it's delicious. And then just roll that burrito. So fold it over, kind of scrunch it up with your fingers, stuff back in the side, fold the sides in, and then scrunch a little more and roll it over. And then, cut it in half for presentation's sake. You can serve it with some chips. Use that extra lettuce you probably have there to make a little side salad. And there you are. Within less than 10 minutes, you've got an amazing, healthy veggie burrito lunch. Enjoy.